In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a custom push start button on a second generation Lexus IS. Hello everybody and welcome to Marty Motoring. My name is Martin and I do videos of my cars. I have a 2011 Lexus IS 350 F Sport that I'm slowly building and I'm about to supercharge. So if you're interested in that, hit subscribe and follow along with the channel and my upgrades and mods and everything like that. Today is one of those. There's finally an option for the second generation Lexus IS push to start button. Now I've seen these for the third gens and up, just not for the second gens, but now there's a company called Bonobo. I'm not exactly sure how you say it, but this company makes custom push to start buttons for the second gen Lexus IS 250, 350, and F. I got this blue F Sport one to match the blue of my car and the fact that mine is a 350 F Sport. We're gonna figure it out and do it today, so let's go. So I have it up here on my iPad. This is the company, Bonobo. You can see on their website, they have the push to start button. Now this is for a custom one, but they also have kind of pre-made ones and a couple other products. Now this is machined from solid billet aluminum, so it looks really good. This is one of the pre-made ones, just the F Sport with the blue. I will have the link in the description down below to get this one. And here is the back. I like that it has the hole so I'd be able to see the factory light that's orange or green. So there's a couple different listings on the website. You have the newer, like third gens and up pretty much, and then the RC and RCF. I think it's this one. Yes, because it's rounded, you can see, for the second gen. You can get a bunch of different colors. I did the F Sport and you can see that's exactly what I have here. And I did blue. You could also do black or red. I really like the blue because it matched my car, and they have like a fitment guide here. But overall, cool company to get stuff from. So I bought this one. It wasn't sponsored or anything. I just figured I'd show how to install it, and maybe you can get one too in your second generation IS. So here's my very warm and dusty interior with the start button there. When you order the aftermarket start button, it also comes with this little removal tool. So I'm gonna try to set the camera up, pointing here, and show you how to take this in and out. What I did is I unlocked the car and I left my key in the house so that the engine does not actually start. Here's the tool. What I need to do is push this in and get this under and then twist it. There's like a hook on the bottom you wanna, so this whole thing comes out, but I mean, that's not gonna help us right now. We want that to stay in. We just need the button. There we go. It's like pretty hard to get off. Once you get this inside and then like twist it, it bends a little bit. But once you twist it and you kind of hook the bottom and pull out from the bottom. So here's the start button. And there is an LED in there. So that's it. It just kind of goes on like that and snaps back in. And now if you look at the design of this one, it's about the same. It doesn't have the little plastic for the LED, but it does have the hole so that we'll be able to see that. And now this one should literally just go on like this. Kind of just sits on, and we want to push it, click it, and there we go. Now I'm gonna get the key, make sure the lights work, and then we can use our button. Now it's pretty bright out, but you can see the green LED here. And it works. So I've started the car, and I'll turn it off once it's warmed up here, but you can see the button works and looks really nice. All right, everybody, we're back in my office, sitting on the futon. The install went pretty good, pretty straightforward. Makes the interior look a lot better. It just has that cool custom look to it. I really like the blue on it. I'm really enjoying it so far. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. Yeah, for 50 bucks, I mean, it's a little pricey, but you're getting something nice and solid and custom that'll really update the interior look over the just plain gray start and stop button. So for me, it's a 10 out of 10. I really like it. I'll have the link in the description below again if you want to buy one for yourself. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and follow along with me by subscribing and seeing all the future updates and mods. I'm about to supercharge the IS350, so that'll be fun. Follow me on Instagram at Marty Motoring to keep up with the latest updates when videos aren't out. I'm always posting pictures, updates, polls, stories, all that good stuff on there. Thanks for watching, and keep those wheels turning.